In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a Pagefly page into your Shopify store in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to spruce up your site with elegant functionality or lay out your content in a captivating manner, tuning into today's tutorial will be incredibly beneficial. Let's start with the very first action you have to take, which is heading over to Shopify's main site. This step is quintessential. It's where every store owner begins their journey into customization and optimization. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, you'll notice a login button. Please click on it. This step seems straightforward, but it's critical as it allows you access to the back end of your online store, which is the nerve center of your business. Next, you're going to enter your email address. Make sure you input the email associated with your Shopify store to avoid any sign-in hassles. This email is almost like a key that grants you access to your digital storefront, so keep it secure but accessible. Following that, you will need to enter your password, then click on the login button. Remember, your password is the safeguard to your business's online presence. Ensuring that it's both complex and secure is paramount to the safety of your business information. After successfully logging in, navigate to the My Store section, then to the Home tab within Shopify. This dashboard is your control room from where you can orchestrate all operations of your Shopify store. It's designed to give you a comprehensive overview of what's going on in your store at a glance. Now click on the Apps option. The Apps section in Shopify is where you can extend the functionality of your store. Think of this like adding new skills to your repertoire, where each app offers unique capabilities to bolster your store's performance or appearance. Proceed to click on All Recommended Apps. Shopify has a curated list of applications considered beneficial for a range of typical store setups. This is like receiving personalized recommendations that could enhance your store's performance based on Shopify's extensive experience with e-commerce businesses. After that, select the option for Shopify App Store. The App Store is a marketplace brimming with tools designed to enhance, optimize, or extend the functionality and look of your Shopify store. It's here that you can find nearly any solution to suit your business needs. Within the Shopify App Store, use the search function to look up Pagefly. Pagefly is a powerful tool for creating custom pages that stand out. It offers a drag and drop system, making it easy for you to design pages without needing to know how to code. Once you've found Pagefly in your search results, go ahead and click on Pagefly Landing Page Builder. This action will take you to the apps page within the Shopify App Store, where you can learn more about its features and see reviews from other users. The credibility and functionality of an app can often be gauged by the experiences of your peers. So take a moment to consider if Pagefly fits your needs. At this point, you'll see an option to either open or install Pagefly. If you're a first-time user, you'll want to install it. Installing an app on your Shopify store is like hiring a new team member. You're essentially onboarding a new capability to enhance your store. Finally, access the Pagefly dashboard. Here is where the magic happens. The Pagefly dashboard is your command center for creating and managing your custom pages. It provides you with the tools to visually construct and edit pages, bringing your vision for your store to life directly in front of your eyes. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Pagefly into your Shopify store, opening a world of possibilities for customizing and enhancing your site like never before. Remember, the key to a compelling online store is not just what you sell, but how you present it. With Pagefly, you're well equipped to create an immersive, engaging experience for your customers. Thank you for joining me in today's video guide. Explore, experiment, and elevate your store with Pagefly and Shopify.